Hi, this is a video journal. Um, Today's is May 29th, 2022, time 6:25 a.m. Uh, yeah, I'm doing much better compare some other days. Every time I go out, people use hand sanitizers and don't do it because, like I said, my personality changes tremendously. So yeah, like I say, I snapped at this one lady had flags in her box. So, but you know, I don't know if she took him or what. It was if it was hers. So I apologize for that because, I don't know. It's someone used hand sanitizer on the bus as I was going to the plant here in San Jose. But yeah, like I say, well, people say, well, Joseph's just acting. Oh no, he's not. And, that. I uh, let me pause it a minute and get my medication out and show you what I take. Okay, I am back. Like I said, for when I'm having a seizure, a reaction towards hand sanitizer, uh, I, uh, uh, I'll take the I'll take the the Norco, so that's what I take, and I'll take this right here, and also I'll take uh baclofen for it, muscle relaxer, so that's that's what I take, muscle relaxer, and that usually does the trick when I have a seizure reaction, all that, to numb everything out, and then also uh also I take my nausea pill because it also take my nausea pill. That I have to do that too, and natributyl. I have to take this too. Also, these medications I do take when I'm surrounded by hand sanitizer. Because usually I have memory loss or like that. People do bombard me with it. Then I'll leave my things on the bus or forget things on the bus when I leave. So it just really erases my memory a whole lot. I'm tired of it. I had to really stand my grounds on that and all that. But but now So well, like I said all that. So like I said, it's the same thing here. It gets really old. And then we go on the record right here for here. Aaron Brockovich has associates, Berg, or Tom Dunyan, Fong, where they advertise for injuries. Well, yeah, they're not. They just took they write down the information out there when I call the law firm whatsoever, and they are not going to try to help me. All that. The only way I could get help by the law if I march myself or call the Supreme Court, call the Supreme Superior Court, and talk to make an appointment with the judge. The judge hear my case, and then either he or she will appoint me an attorney from the court to represent me in the court. That's the only way I could do it. Like I said. So the proper way is to contact going through the lawyer for this. But since no lawyer won't step up to the plate, well, what are you going to do about it and all that? People say, when I was quacking or seizing, all that, so all that, as reacting to sanitizer, or cry like T Rex. Well, he said, just acting, just acting. No, I'm not. I don't know how to respond. Sometimes my response acts differently when I have reaction to the sanitizer. Well, it's the same thing here. Like I said, yeah, like I said, people say, well, this is a breaking news story. Breaking news story. This is what I told ABC 7 News, ABC 11, and CBS 5. I said, look, yeah, once you do a story about people reacting to hand sanitizer, and do that, and drop me for the story. Because that's the same thing what Dr. Phil is doing. Dr. Phil's for years, since 2002, Dr. Phil's has been eliminating all my subject issues down off the show, on Dr. Phil's show, and eliminate and all that. So I told the reporters, do the same thing like Dr. Phil does. Eliminate the story. Eliminate for the hand sanitizer and whatsoever. Eliminate. And Aaron Brockovich, no, not going to do anything about it. Half the associates won't do anything about it. Tom Dunn won't do anything about it. Berg won't do anything about it. Do anything, even though it's their injury clinic, but it's not the case. It's only auto accidents. So yeah. Anyone, all the law firms are, oh, we can sue the county. Yeah, we can sue the county of Santa Clara. Bullshit. Bullshit. What? They're not the big fish. The big fish, the big fish is the hand sanitizer company. Hand sanitizer company. That's what you need to got it. They're responsible. They pour out the stuff out there, make cause a reaction. Well, yeah. They say, oh, this is a big story. This is a big story. If Joseph takes this to the court, there'll be a news breaking story. Bullshit. And I say this. I say it like Aaron Proctor said. Bullshit. They're not going to do it. And all that. That's why I told. Yeah, because all the real media, all the media says, well, oh yeah, that's okay. We could do a story of somebody else and just drop Joseph off of the story, all that, and eliminate it, all that. So yeah, and they say, oh yeah, and all the reporters goes, this is a discrimination story. This is a discrimination story. Go ahead, think whatever you want. I mean all that. This is all these levels. It's the discrimination story. Well, there's not much to go on here. Oh yeah, we just showed the world he just Joseph Nieves has been discriminating against. And same thing with the gay, lesbian, and all that. Yes, the gays, lesbians. Yes, they say that one gay attorney told their client, his Hispanic client, well, no, there's nothing you can do here. He has allergies to a chemical on the bus on Vermont Ray Road, right there by the plant. Said nothing we can do here, They said, let me talk to you about this because he's Ricky Martin's boyfriend and he's survivor of September 11th. Leave him alone, because he survived September 11th. There's nothing we can do here. And so all that telling me that Hispanic lady, it was a Hispanic lady about that. Yeah, and the bad part is now just going on the record, the gay community is messing around with my sister Pat's head. Oh, that's why. Yeah, I know. She gets irritated, agitated, agitated, and mad at me, and mad at me, a whole lot because people won't leave my sister alone, and all that. And then that part, this goes on the record too. Yeah, if I do take this to court, and I will, I have to go through the court system to hear my case. Maybe I will get an attorney. Maybe I won't. It will maybe probably just me, and at least gone for a trial, and the courts pays for my case. And if it gets dropped, it gets dropped. At least I try. It's probably gonna get dropped with my luck, damn luck. It's probably gonna be dropped. So and I'll keep my sister out of the court, eliminate her from the case because she has no bearing on my case against the hand sanitizer company whatsoever. She has nothing to do with it. And then lots of lawyers, all that people and activists are trying to bring my sister to the case. No, it has nothing to do with the hand sanitizer. So that's why my sister Pat is eliminated from the case. All that, and I'll tell the judge I want her. I don't want my sister Pat involved in my case. I don't. It has nothing to do, and it has no bearing on my case. She's just a payee. She pays my bills. That's what she does. And she has no bearing on the case. That's it. Now you know. And that's about it. Enjoy your day.